Welcome back to MATLAB. In today's video, we are going to solve equation with three unknowns for 5 over 100x equals with 7 over 100y equals with 8 over 100z. If we know that x minus y equals with z minus 380. But first, hit the subscribe button in the video corner and let's find x, y, z from this equation with three variables. First method is using equation system. We have 5x equals with 7y first. After that, 7y equals with 8z. Since they have the same numerator, I'm going to equalate 5x, 7y, and 8z. And also the last equation, x minus y equals with z minus 380. Results furthermore. Now we find x and z depending on y. So x equals with 7y over 5. Z equals with 7y over 8. And the last equation, 7y over 5, I replace now x and z in this equation. 7y over 5 minus y minus 7y over 8 equals with minus 380. Results furthermore, I'm going to solve this equation. Result that y from this equation equals with 800. Now I'm going to replace y on this. X equals with 1120 and z equals with 700. The second method of solving the initial equation is using equal ratio series, meaning that we have 5x over 100 equals with 7y over 100 equals with 8z over 100, and let's say equals with k, natural number. Results furthermore, in here I'm going to simplify by 5 and results x over 20 equals with 7y over 100 equals furthermore with 2z over 25 equals with k. Results furthermore that x over 20 equals with k, so x equals with 20k. Y equals with 100k over 7, and z equals with 25k over 2. I replace now these values in the second equation in here above, and results that 20k minus 100k over 7 equals with 25k over 2 minus 380. Solving this equation results that k equals with 56 and results furthermore the same solutions. x equals with 1120, y equals with 800, and z equals with 700. Now I'm going to let you decide which method of solving this type of equation is more easy for you. This is it for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the video corner to see you tomorrow again. Thank you.